Today I'm going to make vegetarian fish and chips, and I'm going to use the Ore-Ida Easy Fries that I got for free from Influenster to try out. It looks like this is going to be quite easy, just like the name would suggest. I just tore that up and off. Then I arranged them so none of them are, on top of each other. Then you press this down, it looks like. Why are you sad and upset? Why are you sad and upset?
Fries.
Because fries. Are you sad and upset because you want some fries?
Yeah.
Alright, just make sure that the silver part is touching the fries. Then microwave for 4 minutes. Okay, let's see how they came out. Oh wow, they look very good and they smell great too. I'm excited to try them. Okay, the first step for my vegetarian fish fillets is microwave for 1 minute. Now the final step for this is just to fry these for 4 to 4.5 minutes on each side. Nice and simple. Alright, well, my daughter couldn't wait, but I'm all done now and I'm ready to give it a try. My daughter and I just ate all the fish and chips, and I think these fries are delicious. I was surprised. They taste even fresher than I was expecting and very crispy. The only thing I would say is just know that there aren't a whole lot in the pack. I mean, it's a small pack anyway, so I'm sure most people probably know that. It might be better for, 1 or 2 people probably as a nice treat, but I wouldn't plan on feeding a whole lot of people with it. But yeah, I mean, it was delicious and I think the meal was a success.